The modern farmhouse style has taken the design world by storm, captivating homeowners with its blend of rustic charm and contemporary elegance. It offers a refreshing departure from overly ornate or starkly minimalist aesthetics, creating spaces that are both visually appealing and deeply comforting. This style embraces the simplicity of rural living, while incorporating modern sensibilities, resulting in a look that is both timeless and of the moment. This essay will delve into the key elements of modern farmhouse interior design, providing inspiration and guidance for creating your own idyllic farmhouse haven. This design philosophy celebrates the beauty of imperfection and the warmth of handcrafted items. It encourages the use of natural materials, neutral color palettes, and cozy textiles to create a welcoming atmosphere. The modern farmhouse style also emphasizes functionality and practicality, ensuring that spaces are not only beautiful but also livable and conducive to everyday life. This design approach is perfect for those seeking a relaxed and inviting home environment that reflects a connection to nature and a simpler way of life. The beauty of modern farmhouse design lies in its versatility and adaptability. It can be easily customized to suit individual preferences and lifestyles, whether you live in a sprawling countryside estate or a cozy urban apartment. The core principles of this style can be applied to any space, creating a cohesive and harmonious aesthetic throughout your home. The key is to embrace the essence of farmhouse living while incorporating your own unique personality and style. From cozy living rooms to inviting kitchens and serene bedrooms, the modern farmhouse aesthetic can transform any space into a sanctuary. By incorporating the key elements discussed in this essay, you can create a home that is not only beautiful but also reflects your personal style and values. The modern farmhouse style is more than just a trend. It's a celebration of timeless design principles and a way of creating a home that truly feels like a haven. Neutral color palettes form the bedrock of modern farmhouse design, creating a sense of calm and serenity throughout the home. Shades of white, cream, beige, and gray serve as the perfect backdrop for showcasing natural materials and rustic accents. These soft and understated hues create a sense of spaciousness and allow other design elements to take center stage. They also contribute to a timeless aesthetic, ensuring that your home remains stylish for years to come. The use of neutral colors doesn't mean that your space has to be devoid of personality. Subtle variations in tone and texture can add depth and visual interest to your rooms. Consider incorporating different shades of white, from crisp, bright whites to warmer, creamier tones to create a layered and nuanced look. You can also introduce subtle pops of color through textiles, artwork, and accessories. Layering different neutral shades creates a sense of depth and dimension, preventing the space from feeling flat or monotonous. For example, you might pair white walls with beige furniture and gray accents. This subtle interplay of colors adds visual interest while maintaining the overall sense of calm and tranquility. The use of neutral colors also allows you to easily update your decor without having to repaint the entire room. By embracing a neutral color palette, you create a versatile canvas for your modern farmhouse design. This allows you to easily incorporate different textures, patterns, and accent colors without overwhelming the space. The neutrality of the backdrop also enhances the natural beauty of wood, stone, and other natural materials, which are essential components of the modern farmhouse aesthetic. This foundation of calm allows the other elements of the style to shine. Natural materials play a crucial role in modern farmhouse design, adding warmth, texture, and a connection to the natural world. Wood, stone, and other organic elements create a sense of authenticity and grounding, bringing a touch of the outdoors into your home. These materials not only enhance the visual appeal of your space but also contribute to a healthier and more sustainable living environment. Their inherent beauty and durability make them ideal for creating a timeless and inviting farmhouse aesthetic. Wood is a staple in modern farmhouse design, used for flooring, beams, furniture, and decorative accents. The natural grain and warm tones of wood add character and depth to any space. Reclaimed wood with its unique patina and history is particularly popular in this style, adding a touch of rustic charm and sustainability. The variations in color and texture of natural wood create a sense of visual interest and warmth. Stone is another essential element in modern farmhouse design, often used for fireplaces, countertops, and backsplashes. The natural variations in color and texture of stone create a sense of depth and visual interest. Stone also adds a touch of rustic elegance to any space, creating a sense of permanence and grounding. Its durability and resistance to wear and tear make it a practical choice for high-traffic areas. Incorporating natural materials extends beyond wood and stone. Consider using natural fibers like cotton, linen, and wool for textiles, adding texture and warmth to your space. Wicker baskets, woven rugs, and other natural fiber accents can further enhance the farmhouse aesthetic. The use of natural materials creates a connection to the outdoors, promoting a sense of calm and well-being within the home. These elements contribute to a healthier and more sustainable living environment. Section 4. Open spaces, creating airy and inviting environments. Open floor plans are a hallmark of modern farmhouse design, creating a sense of spaciousness and flow between living areas. These airy and inviting environments encourage interaction and connection, making them ideal for family gatherings and entertaining. Removing walls and barriers creates a sense of visual continuity, allowing natural light to flood the space and enhancing the overall feeling of openness. This design approach fosters a sense of community and togetherness within the home. Open concept living areas seamlessly blend the kitchen, dining area, and living room, creating a central hub for family life. This layout encourages interaction and communication, allowing family members to connect and spend time together, even while engaged in different activities. The open floor plan also makes it easier to supervise children while preparing meals or working from home. This sense of connection is central to the farmhouse philosophy. Open spaces also enhance the sense of light and airiness, making even smaller homes feel larger and more inviting. Natural light can flow freely throughout the space, creating a bright and cheerful atmosphere. This open design also facilitates better ventilation, promoting a healthier indoor environment. The flow of air and light contributes to a sense of well-being and tranquility within the home. By removing visual barriers, open floor plans create a sense of unity and cohesion throughout the home. The different living areas flow seamlessly into one another, creating a harmonious and balanced aesthetic. This design approach also allows for greater flexibility in furniture arrangement and decor, allowing you to easily adapt the space to your changing needs. The open concept design promotes a sense of freedom and flexibility within the home. Section 5. Cozy textiles, layering comfort and texture. Cozy textiles play a vital role in modern farmhouse design, adding warmth, texture, and a sense of lived-in comfort. Layering different textures and patterns creates a visually rich and inviting atmosphere. From plush throws and soft pillows to woven rugs and linen curtains, textiles add a touch of softness and personality to every room. They are essential for creating a cozy and inviting farmhouse aesthetic. Soft, natural fabrics like cotton, linen, and wool are favored in modern farmhouse design. These materials not only feel luxurious against the skin but also add a touch of rustic charm to the space. Consider incorporating throws and pillows in varying textures and patterns to create a sense of depth and visual interest. These cozy additions create a sense of warmth and comfort, inviting you to relax and unwind. Woven rugs add texture and warmth underfoot, while linen curtains soften the natural light filtering through the windows. These textiles contribute to the overall sense of coziness and comfort, creating a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. They also add a touch of personality and style to the space, reflecting your individual preferences and design sensibilities. The layering of textiles creates a sense of depth and richness. Textiles also offer an opportunity to introduce subtle pops of color and pattern into your neutral color palette. Consider incorporating striped throws, floral pillows, or patterned rugs to add visual interest and personality to your space. These subtle accents can enliven the room without overwhelming the overall sense of calm and serenity. Textiles offer a versatile way to personalize your modern farmhouse design.